Noel from Beauty Vice, and today I'm going to show you what my routine is to condition my hair using this amazing product by Rene Furterer. The name is the Nourishing Ritual Intensive Nourishing Oil for Very Dry Hair. Basically, it comes in a box, and as you can see, there's a bunch of ampules. Each ampule will last you like 3 or 4 treatments, so that's great news because out of a box you get a good couple months of use. First step is you get your ampule and you break it. I always use a towel, so you have it like this. Then you put the applicator top so that you don't cut yourself. Once you have your applicator top, I just go ahead and pour some on my hand. I like to squeeze because I use a lot. Now I have washed my hair and shampooed it, conditioned it, and now I'm just gonna run the oil through my hair. I use quite a bit because I leave it on for 24 hours. This oil is amazing. It will help with split ends. It will help boost shine. It will help with breakage, dryness. It'll leave your hair super shiny, super silky, so that when you wash it off and you go ahead and wash your hair again and get ready to style it, your hair will be in amazing condition. I've been using this for a little bit, about over a year, and my hairdresser always comments on the fact that she really can see that it makes a difference in my hair, given the heat styling and everything that I do. I try to put a bunch on the ends, and that's it. That's all I do, you know? And now what I like to do is I brush my hair one more time. And like I said, I leave it in for 24 hours or just like a day. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to get my hair, braid the sides, I braid them. Then I get this piece, put it back, and do a little bun on that end. There we go. Then I do the same with the other side. And you can do whatever you like. You don't have to braid your hair, obviously. You can let it dry like that. You can put it in a long braid. You can put it in a bun. You can do whatever you like. I personally have this is what I usually do. It looks pretty and, you know, it allows me to just go out. I have the treatment in my hair and works all day. And I can go and wash it out tonight. I can leave it in till tomorrow, wash it out tomorrow. You know, no rush. The oil is in my hair, it's working. Again, this is my ampule. And this is just a great product. It doesn't have to just be for dry hair. I think it's a great product for people who have, you know, dry hair, damaged hair, chemically treated hair, anything that needs extra moisture, extra shine. This is an awesome product. Again, the Rene Furterer, the Karité Nourishing Ritual Intense Nourishing Oil. Amazing. The little ampules, I really love them. Everyone in my house using them. My stepdaughter uses it all the time. Everybody uses it. They love it. So it's a great product for those of you looking for a good way to condition your hair, add moisture, and protect it from split ends and breakage. So I hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Bye.